Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is blueberry lemon muffins. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. Alright, first we're going to put our salt and baking powder into our flour. And we'll stir that up. And then we'll set that aside. We'll add a little bit of flour to our blueberries. This will stop them from sinking into the batter. If you're using frozen blueberries, don't thaw them out, keep them frozen. Now in a large bowl, we are going to add our butter and our sugar. And we're going to mix that up until it's all light and fluffy. This takes around 2 minutes. Scrape down the sides as you need. Make sure your butter is at room temperature before you do this, which makes it easier. Now we'll add our vanilla, our lemon juice, and we'll add a zest of 1 lemon. This will give it nice lemon flavor. And we'll mix that till that's all mixed in. Now we're going to add 1 egg and we'll mix that thoroughly. Then we'll add our second egg. And we'll mix that again. Then we're going to add 1/3 of our flour mix. And we'll mix this on low. Mix it until you don't see any more flour. Scraping down the sides to get it all incorporated. Then we're going to add our sour cream. And mix that in briefly. Then we'll add another 1/3 of our flour mix. And we'll mix that up again until we don't see any flour. Scraping down the sides as you go. Then we'll add our milk. We'll stir that up again. And then we'll add the rest of our flour and we'll mix. Now we're going to fold in our blueberries. Then we'll put into our greased muffin tin. You can also just have liners in your muffin tin if you like. And this will fill up your muffin tin really, really well. You can sprinkle the top with sugar if you like. And we'll place in our oven that is at 375 degrees and we'll bake for 25 minutes or until the tops are golden on top and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Cool completely before removing from the pan. Please comment below and I'll respond to all your comments. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching.